Donald joining me here, the vice chair for Johnson Controls, and we've partnered up for quite a few years. Johnson Controls been a part of this effort for 10 years now.
That's right.
Bring three, get in free. 3 non-perishable food items you can get in free to Summerfest from noon to 3 today. What keeps bringing you back?
That's right. Well, first of all, at all 3 gates, so this is the first year we'll be doing all 3 gates, but for us at Johnson Controls, we really believe in giving back to the community, and many of us don't even know what it's like to go to bed hungry at night, and for a lot of people, unfortunately, that's reality. So this has been a great partnership with Summerfest and the Hunger Task Force. Last year we raised 53,000 pounds of non-perishable food, and then in 10 years that we've been doing this, we've collected more than 600,000 pounds.
Yeah, that's got to feel really good, collecting all that food, making a huge difference for all those people going hungry, people in need in the community. Big difference for the Hunger Task Force. But a lot of your employees volunteer today. How many people are you going to have out here collecting food?
That's right. We're going to have 80 employees here, starting at coming in at 11 o'clock. So they're going to be here a little bit early. So hopefully we'll break last year's record of more than 53,000 pounds.
That would be great, wouldn't it? Now it's kind of the calm before the storm right now, because nobody's here quite yet, lined up ready to donate that food. But we're at the mid-gate. That's where a lot of people show up, where they're going to have the big trucks collecting that food.
Right.
The gates open today at noon. Are you coming back? Are you going to go to any concerts
I was at last night's concert, and I'm still recovering from that.
So you were at the Stones, huh?
I was at the Stones last night, yeah.
Probably feeling a little tired this morning. How are you feeling today?
I am for sure.
How was the concert?
It was unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's hard to believe that, when you add those 4 guys up together, they're nearly at 300 years old. And they rocked it out.
Yeah, I saw some of the video this morning. Pretty incredible stuff there. But again, if you're interested in coming on down to Summerfest and you want to get in for free, not a bad deal. All you have to do is bring 3 non-perishable food items from noon until 3 today. You can get in for free. Great deal, helping a great cause. We're going to be hanging out here all morning long, keeping track of people, saying hi to people as they come in and drop off some of their food. For now, Kim Jessup, we're going to toss it back to you guys.